Just lost my entire report. Ah! Hi there, everybody. That was a fun little intro. It's supposed to be like a little skit of me losing my entire report and angering over it and smashing it in your computer. And today that was just a little intro. And so today we'll be smashing a full-size little laptop. May not even be a laptop, this thing is huge. And a nice little iPad. And I actually forgot why we're doing this. We are. So let's get right into it. What should I start with? So actually, last time you may recall the other video of me smashing 3 computers with an axe. This time I'm using a miniature sledgehammer. Okay. Well, okay. So let's start with the iPad. 3, 2, 1. I missed. I literally missed. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Used to using an axe for doing this stuff. That's really fun. Yeah, I'll try and use. Can't believe how much fun this is. Just gonna do one big blow to the screen. Maybe it'll be done. This is supposed to be just a little skit. I'll probably do more screen, but anyway. 3, 2, 1. That's really fun. And so I'm gonna wrap it up now. And if you want to see more destroying electronics and stuff, this is really fun. And since last time I gained 1 entire subscriber. The last video we did this. It was super fun. This is supposed to be just a little skit, destroying electronics. Also, comment down below what should I name my YouTube channel, since Mr. Tips and Tricks, it doesn't really go well with destroying electronics. So that'll be the end of this video. See ya.